Get ready to elevate your commercial bathroom project with Swan's innovative solid surface products. For over 50 years, we've been designing stylish and modern solutions that are timeless and crafted to perfection. At Swan, durability is key. Our Swanstone and Veritech products are engineered with superior craftsmanship to include renewable surfaces and stain and abrasion-resistant materials, ensuring that they look great and stand up to the test of time. Our comprehensive bathing solutions offer outstanding value and easy installation, guaranteeing your project is a success. Your customers will also benefit from our low maintenance, ADA accessibility, warranty coverage, and timeless colors, finishes, and patterns, which ensure product quality and integrity. Our US-based customer service team makes Swan stand out as a go-to partner for commercial bathing solutions. We are here to help answer questions and provide product satisfaction. Swan is the ultimate commercial bathroom partner for functionality and style on any sized project. For more information, visit us online at swanstone.com.